Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. This evening guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cook some rice and peas and fish. Guys, as you can see over here, so I cook some food over here. Yeah. I mean not lie guys, watch the pot cover broke, drop and broke. You understand how it yeah. Pot cover broke guys, so I go and use the dish. I go buy two more pot, I don't know the badness go. So yeah guys, what I'm gonna do now, I go and clean up my fish. See my fish there now. You understand how they even just go buy me fish them so I clean them up guys. So you don't know the badness in the kitchen. Some bad rice and peas and fish guys. So guys, I'm gonna finish clean up my fish them and I'm gonna sew go on in the kitchen. Overs don't know the badness though. Yeah. Guys, soon come back. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna clean up my fish them. The overs. Yeah guys, clean up the fish them, guys. Now like guys, I fish head, you know. Believe that. Fish head, guys. You know, like guys, fish head fat. Eat that. Fat, guys. You know, like it. You know. Want the fish to clean up good. The wobbles. Yeah. Then the fry. Cook it on, guys. Be about this. Guys, there's some nice fish head too. You know, fish head them look good. Guys, so I'm going over here, so peas are boiled up on the fire, guys. Be about this in the kitchen. Guys, be about this, guys. Be about this. Just subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell as a video drop, guys. You have it. Soon come back. Yeah, guys. So this is my fish head. So me clean up my fish head them. Yeah, so I'm gonna fry it. And I'm gonna swag on in the kitchen. My overs, guys. Be about this. Soon come back, guys. As you can see over here, so guys, we go on. Peas are boiled. Don't know about this. Guys, soon come back. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna show some oil in I pot now to fry my fish. You understand how it? Yeah guys, be a badness. As you can see my oil guys, sunflower. Say you will lift him high, holy, holy forever. Your people sing. Yeah guys, so now make the oil go on hot. I'll show some fish in our aisle, guys. Be about this in our kitchen, some bad rice and peas, brown stew, fish head, guys. Soon come back. Guys, I'm gonna drop in some fish in our pot, you know. Holy guys, so I want in our kitchen, be about this. Guys, my kids them supposed to cook by now. You understand now? So when I go set for my kids them and so on, guys. They don't know be about this in our kitchen, you know. Guys, the pot cover broke up. Yeah guys, so the peas them cook. You understand all the peas them cook guys. So I'm gonna put a little more water in the pot. Don't know the badness. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna season up the pot and I'm gonna show off one guys. You understand all the yeah. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna season up the pot and I'm gonna show off one. The fish gonna go on fry. You understand all the so guys. Remember, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell as a video drop guys, the have it guys, soon come back. Guys, I'm going to season up the rice and fish because I'm going to put the coconut powder and the ground season. Don't know about it. Yeah guys, I eat that. Don't know the badness come down. Yeah, Jamaican people. I'm putting the rest of it in guys. I'm showing them. This is the first set we'll take out. Don't know the badness. When I want good food guys, I come in and eat a kitchen. Over. Yeah guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to wash my rice and put it in a pot. Be about this. Guys, you don't know my rice already, you don't know the style, you know guys. Over. See, good old basmati rice. Guys, be about this in the kitchen. Yeah guys, some basmati rice and cheese. Be about this. Hear a peaceful sing to the King of Kings. Yeah guys, so finish frying my fish them. I'm not gonna do guys. I was steam them down. You understand how to eat. So guys, watch your badness in our kitchen. Soon come back guys. Guys, be a badness in our kitchen guys. Be a badness. Guys, stay tuned for the finishing look guys. We soon come back. Guys, watch your badness in our kitchen. Yeah guys, we soon can drop in me fish them. You don't know the badness come down guys. Yeah guys, so watch pan the rice and peas over here so guys. Over here so nice. So I go on in the kitchen guys, be a badness. Be a badness guys. My rice cook. Overs. Yeah guys, my rice cook guys. Look over here so rice well. Whoa, over here so flat. Good guys. The rice cook guys. Bam, lock off the stove one time. Guys, be a badness. Be a badness. Be a badness. Guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. Soon come back guys. I'm in safe guys, watch how I go on in the kitchen guys. So I go on in the pot. I'm gonna land my pot here now guys. Share out some food. I'm gonna see what I go on guys. I'm out. Yeah, Jenko people. So this is the finishing look. My rice and peas guys. My brown stew fish head. Guys, be a badness. Be a badness guys. Guys, I'm out guys. See you in our next video.